compared to the last time we were up here, there's actually quite a bit of work that has been done, right? There's some of the conduit has been run. There's some of the switch gear in the back there. And obviously they're on site now doing some of the work here at the IONNA station in Lake Delton. So nice to see that even though it is getting cold, they are still continuing with the work and getting this thing built. So we'll look around, see what else they've done, and yeah, another good stop up here. I was up here for the quick charge opening day, and it was a good charge. And now, you know, for a future charge up here in Lake Delton, this IONNA station will be great. One thing I did not notice when I first pulled up was there are hyperchargers on site here. So work is going to keep on keeping on here. They have the hyperchargers to install. It looked like they were doing some concrete work, so maybe later this week or next week after Thanksgiving, we'll get to see hyperchargers installed here in Lake Delton, which will be a great addition to the charging scenery up here in the Dells area. There is your IONNA update. A nice little short update, I guess, but yeah, I don't think it'll be too long until this guy is ready to charge cars. Maybe an IONNA Christmas gift for the Wisconsin EV community? We can always hope. We'll see you at the next charge.